What is up, guys? We are about to unbox this fucking box, which is, yes, ISR performance. That doesn't fucking really matter at this point, cause my door got dinged by a fucking customer at this fucking shop, which low-key pisses me off because the cars were fucking red and it was a fucking Volkswagen Beetle. Fucking Volkswagen Beetle. I already saw the fucking door hitting my door, so I already saw it in my mind, and it happened, and I fucking could have prevented it, but that happened. Yes. Moving on. We're gonna go do this fucking white pipe. We're gonna unbox it right now. So we gotta like. Pretty. Hey, sorry. Oh, good. In the light. Yes, sir. Piece of shit, Tigs. Crazy. Yeah. So far, it looks good. I like. Inside looks alright. Kinda. Oh, looking easy. I don't even got thread locker like that. Bolt won't even come off. I like this hardware, man. That hardware, freight hardware. Black of gloves. That's broken. Yeah. What I say? Oh yeah, this piece of cake. Oh, from O'Reilly? Got 3 jacks holding it. Ow! It's coming! Woo! We out of here, boys. This thing is burnt. On. Nice and tight, no rattles. Let's clean up. Shoot. Transmission fluid. Another day when differential gets here, but yeah, we'll do it before and after. Or we already did that, but we'll see what it sounds like right after this. Alright, the fucking GoPro died, so that's what happened. God damn, piece of shit batteries, man. Fucking ghetto ass little batteries. Die up hella quick. But we're about to hear the exhaust right now. All of us, we're all about to just hear it. I just finished. So we're about to see right now how it's gonna sound like. But yeah, let's get to it. Now let's just do it like this. Fuck it. I'm gonna just set this here. Like this. Turn on light. So it just be auction in there or? Because I'm AC on. Yeah. Yes. I think we got it. I'm gonna put this drain plug on here. God damn it, I got alright, drain plug going back in. That's 25 foot-pounds right there. Okay. Look at this. This is like, oh no. It's like all.
No pago botón ya, no pago todo atrás. Pues no, te puedo decir, no, ya se juega, todo. Yo en mi vida había visto una de esas. Pues yo no había visto. Yo tenía una carne, también la compré nueva, apenas la vendí, era 2007. ¿Sí? Ya, volví a la casa. Pues yo he visto la foto.
Mm-hmm.